So on the other side of the building there is another parking garage. That's like the main garage. And I thought that was the only parking elevator here because I assumed this was just a service lot until the records were like, hey buddy, just so you know. And I figured out that this one was here because this actually goes down a floor or two or however many. So we'll film this elevator as well. This is the east parking elevator at Highland Park Hospital. There's one of the medical office buildings right there. Oh, it's a lot warmer in here. That's nice. Oh, what the heck? Look, there's just a random space age strobe on the wall. I wonder what that's for. And an EST pull station. That looks way older than the elevator. Makes you wonder, is it glass? I don't know. I wouldn't bet on it, honestly. Nope. Wow, it is way colder in the elevator than it is in the lobby. Oh, it only goes down to here. So it's only one floor underground. Oh, what? Here they have a Wheelock MT. Strange. Very basic. Normally, this is one of those things where if it wasn't a hospital, this elevator wouldn't exist. But because it's a hospital, the elevator's here. 3565 is the thing. This hospital has so many elevators, it's confusing. I gotta go by the identification numbers to look them up in the records. Anyway, that's that elevator. That's all.